Hey Brett, it's been a while, but we're back with another full glam. I did intend for this to be a normal, brown smoky eye, but this is as normal as my style gets, I guess. I really wanted to do makeup while my fresh shave was achieved, and I did shave off my eyebrows for the first time. I'd just been doing tails before, but I'm just doing my base foundation, the Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus, and before that, I put some Vaseline on top of my e.l.f. All the Feels Cannabis Facial Oil. I really love that oil. I've been incorporating it into everyday use, and it's just so good. It's not sticky. It doesn't feel too heavy. It sinks in, and it doesn't have a smell. So I really do love it, and my skin's been loving it. And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer, and I'm just highlighting and spot concealing, and then blending out on top. And then let me just say, this is my favorite base now. The skincare before, I don't know, the Vaseline on top of the oil, it's just perfect glass skin. And then I'm blending on top some of the same Camo Concealer, just in a really darker shade. And I'm going in and contouring everywhere I usually contour, sides of my nose, and I'm bringing that really up onto where my eyebrow would be. So sort of messing around with the face structure. And then I'm setting everything with my Becca powder and bronzing lightly on top of everywhere we contoured. And I thought my cheeks needed a little bit more contour. And then I'm using this freckle pen I got off of Amazon for $3, and it's really good. It really shocked me. Obviously I went dramatic, but you could do a lighter look. And I'm going in with my rose blush from Stila. And I'm going on top with some liquid highlight, and this really just set off the glass skin. I mean, I'm just loving my complexion. It's so good. Anyway, and then I'm taking some of that more dark concealer on a really, really fluffy brush, and I'm just going all around the socket, over where the brow would have been, and then diffusing even more with a bigger brush. Just giving me this, beautiful, smoky golden look. And going with this e.l.f. bronzer to set that. And then going in on all my high points, again with that e.l.f. highlighter. Then going in with some gold eyeshadow. I love gold eyeshadow. I think we're all sleeping on gold eyeshadow. It looks so good. And then I'm going in with some pearlescent white on the waterline. And some tinted moisturizing for the lips. I'm going in with this blonde Revlon eyebrow marker to kind of figure out where I want to put my brows down. And then going in with this freckle pen, actually. And really just defining the hair strokes. I went under with that same white eye pencil from e.l.f. and then I'm going in with some auburn eyeshadow on a really tiny brush, and those are the brows. Then I'm using my freckle pen to do the eyeliner, really big eyeliner, and then set that with highlight, and then went on top with black eyeliner, and also underneath the lash line. Going in with this mascara, coating the lashes, and then using these lashes I got off of Amazon. $25 for all these lashes. I cut these in half, put them on. And then some dollar store gems. I really thought completed the look. And then an Essence lip liner, and I really messed with my lip shape here, just kind of eliminated the corners of my mouth. Put on my Matchmaker lip gloss. And then set my face with my Hard Candy setting spray, and then put on this bandana, and that's the finished look. Again, loving the skin, loving the makeup, loving the huge eyeliner. Thanks for watching.